The brand I'm going to introduce today is pronounced Jaguar, but I've heard others pronounce it as Jaguar. How do all of you pronounce it? The car I'm going to share today is the E-Pace P250. Now, the entire car has a very powerful appearance, especially the front exterior. However, while the rest of the car is equipped with LED modules, the front footwell lights are the only exception. They use factory-installed halogen bulbs. Let's take a look at what the factory-installed halogen bulbs look like.
Don't they seem a bit mismatched with its powerful appearance?
Now, we'll focus on this aspect and see what changes we can make. We can see the position of the footwell lights. Because these halogen bulbs get very hot, it's best to take a tissue and touch them. You'll feel that they're quite hot. Once you grip the bulb, just pull it down and it will come out. Putting it back is as simple as before. These bulbs have a non-polar design, so you don't have to worry about their direction. First, locate the recessed area. After finding it, install the bulb by pushing it upward. It's an easy process.
Do you have the same lights as Jaguar in your car?
Well, I don't.
You don't have them either? My car isn't a Jaguar, but it also has similar ambient lights in this location. In fact, many brands use T10 bulbs for these lights. However, in many cases, the bulb may be broken or the brightness may be too low for you to notice. So, actually, you can go back later and touch this area. Touch it and see if there's a bulb present. If you have this type of bulb, you can also use this method to enhance the ambience of your lights.
If you enjoy our video, please like, follow, and share it. Bye-bye.